Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our fourth unit, poem Why. I am going to start the poem Why. The little boy in this poem is very curious. Curious means he wants to know or learn something. In Hindi, curious means utsuk. He asks so many questions and wants to know the answers. For example, you are at home in these days because of the disaster COVID-19. There are so many questions in your mind like when will it come to an end? When will we go to school? Why the lockdown is there? When will I meet my friend? In same way, the little boy wants to know why does wood swim on the surface of water and things like marble and lead sink into water. You can see in the picture the piece of wood floats on water. Floats mean तैरना and marble sinks into water. Sinks mean डूब जाना. You have seen in the picture that the piece of wood that is light in weight and that floats on water. ये जो wood का piece है उसका weight जो है वो बहुत ही कम है और वो पानी के ऊपर तैरता है. और marble that is a type of rock that is heavy and that sinks into water, कि वो पानी में डूब जाता है. This shows that he observes everything around him. He also asks different questions about clouds, sun, wind and flowers, etc. Now we are going to start the reading of the poem. Let's read. I know a curious little boy who is always asking why. Why this, why that, why then, why now, why not, why by the by. Here the poet says that he knows a little boy who is very curious. Earlier I have told you curious means a person who wants to know or learn something. He is always asking different questions about everything like why this, why that, why now and why not. Come to next stanza. He wants to know why wood should swim, why lead and marble sing, why sun should shine and wind should blow, and why we eat and drink. Here the word lead. Lead means a type of metal that is used to make paint. And the marble is a type of rock. As you can see in picture, the boy is holding a marble in his hand. The little boy wants to know why does the wood swim into water? Why lead and marble sink into water? Student, it is very interesting fact. To see this, you can do one experiment at home. Take one glass of water, a matchstick and a coin of 1 rupee. Put matchstick and coin both together into water. What will you see? You will see that coin will sink into water while the matchstick floats on water. जब आप ये एक्सपेरिमेंट घर में करोगे आप ये देखोगे कि जो कॉइन है, कॉइन वो थोड़ा हैवी होता है और वो पानी में डूब जाएगा। और जो मैच स्टिक होती है, माचिस की तीली, जब कॉइन और माचिस की तीली हम दोनों इकट्ठे ग्लास में डालेंगे तो कॉइन जो है वो पानी में डूब जाएगा और जो माचिस की तीली है वो पानी के ऊपर तैरती रहेगी। और ये बेटा इसलिए हुआ कि जो कॉइन था वो हैवी था और वो पानी के अंदर डूब गया, और जो मैच स्टिक थी, माचिस की तीली थी, वो लाइट वेट थी और वो पानी के ऊपर फ्लोट करती रही, तैरती रही। The little boy wants to know why does the sun shine? कि सूरज क्यों चमकता है? Why does the wind blow? Blow means air moves with speed. And why do we eat and drink? कि हम क्यों खाते पीते हैं, कि जैसे हम खाना खाते हैं, वाटर पीते हैं, ये क्यों करते हैं? So these type of questions the little boy wants to know the answers. He wants to know what makes the clouds and why they cross the sky, why sinks the sun behind the hills, and why the flowers die. The boy wants to know what are the clouds made up of and why do they move up in the sky. कि क्लाउड्स जो हैं वो कैसे बनते हैं और कैसे मूव करते हैं स्काई में. He also wants to know that why does the sun sink behind the hills. Students, here the meaning of sink is disappears, as we know that sun rises in the morning and sets in the evening. Why do the pretty flowers die in the garden? When too much hot is there, then flowers die without water. ये तो हम सब जानते हैं ना, जब ज़्यादा गर्मी हो जाती है, धूप हो जाती है, जब हम वाटर नहीं देते हैं प्लांट्स को, तो उनके जो फ्लावर्स हैं वो मर जाते हैं, मुरझा जाते हैं. Some of these whys are not too hard to answer if you will try. Others no one ever yet has found the reason why. Here the poet says that some of the questions which the boy asked are not so difficult to answer. कि जो बच्चा क्वेश्चन पूछता है वो इतने डिफिकल्ट भी नहीं है कि हम उनकी आंसर नहीं कर पाए. इफ वी थिंक अ लिटल देन वी कैन आंसर दीज क्वेश्चंस इजीली. बट देयर आर येट some other questions. We don't know the answers of these. We can only satisfy his curiosity. और उसके कुछ क्वेश्चन ऐसे हैं जिनकी आंसर हमारे पास भी नहीं है. हम उसकी क्यूरियोसिटी को केवल सेटिस्फाई ही कर सकते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, come to the new words. Curious means a person who wants to know or learn something. Lead, a type of metal that is used to make paint. Marble, a type of rock. Sink means डूब जाना, ड्रॉप. रीजन, cause. So these are the new words. So you have to do the reading of the poem at home and do the related exercise on workbook. Thanks.